Have you ever searched for something on YouTube and later wished it would disappear from your history? Whether you want to hide a specific search, refresh your recommendations, or simply like to keep your history clean, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. So, before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new helpful tutorials. Now, the first thing you need to do is open your YouTube app. When you're on the YouTube home screen, go ahead and tap on the magnifying glass icon to open the search bar. Now, in this section, you can see your search history, and if you want to delete something specific from the list, simply swipe from right to left and then tap on delete. This is if you're using an iPhone. If you're using Android, just tap and hold, then tap on delete. However, if you have a lot of phrases to delete and want to clear them all at once, simply go back and in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. Once you've done that, you now need to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings. When you're on the YouTube settings page, you will see a variety of options. Find the option Manage All History and tap on it. Once you've done that, here you will see your entire watch and search history. To delete your entire search history, simply tap on the delete option, and then in the drop-down menu, you can select a date range or delete the complete history for all time. If you want to delete everything, tap on Delete All Time, and then in the bottom right corner, tap the delete button again. And that's it! Just keep in mind that this will also delete your watch history on YouTube, as they don't give us the option to delete these two things separately. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.